Hello everyone, so I have a prepared clip in the timeline. So first of all we need to look for the moment where the glitch effect will start. For example here. After that we will take razor tool and make some cuts. Make cut, 1 frame ahead, make cut, 2 more frames forward and then cut again. And then do it again few times. After that we delete some clips. Now we need to duplicate these parts of video. We need to select them and then hold down Alt key or an Option key on the Mac. After that we will point playhead on the first clip, select it and then in the effect panel opacity choose 50%. And for the position we will make clip more to the left or more to the right. So we need to do it with the old clips. That's why we will choose motion, hold down the Ctrl key, choose opacity and copy that effect. Ctrl C, select other clips and paste down effects with Ctrl V. Excellent, we had duplicate the effect. After that we will look for the Lumetri color effect in the effects panel. Drag and drop Lumetri color on the first clip. We will open basic correction in the effects panel and we need to play with temperature, tint or other preferences. Just do it like you like. For example, this red picture. Yes, this effect looks great. So we choose Lumetri color, press Ctrl C and paste to another one, Ctrl V. Third clip we might do another way. In the FX control we play with temperature and tint effects. For example, we do blue picture. Great, so we need to add sound effects that you can download in the description of this video. And so we have great glitch effect. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and wish you a nice day.